Screen.
Just give me the ball.
Oh my god.
That works.
3-22.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Solo, and this is episode 3 of Road to Superstar on NBA 2K17. I'm playing with Gilly again. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
And this is our first real matchup. You got a Superstar 2 and a Superstar 1, glass cleaner and playmaker. So we just want to show you guys that like we can compete even though we're all-stars. We took like a 2 or 3 month break, but if we were still playing that whole time, we probably would be Superstar 1s or 2s now.
Probably one.
Yeah. So this game is probably going to focus more than talk, so just saying now. Not going in.
How? I was open.
Fine,
You're gonna
so
set brick
switch on
walls.
screens. Go.
Shouldn't go in.
Last one, I think. Three plus.
That shot should have went in. That I took. I was open.
If you guys want to see our social, well, not like Instagram, but our Twitters and Twitches, it'll be in the description. Go. Oh, take it.
Get out of there. Why are you giving it to me? I can't do
Professor,
anything
rip
with
it
it.
from me.
What do you want me to do with it?
You need to do that.
Well, you could probably dribble around someone eventually.
Go. Nothing.
Come on. I got you on screen. Oh, I don't.
Playmaker,
No, I
there's no
don't.
Curry.
Yeah, I don't have that.
You can have that. You want to play sides on screen, like left or right, or switch?
It's probably just the same thing basically. Switch. Just going underneath screens.
That's being. Oh, that should have been intercepted.
What? It's mad gay.
Pass it if that happens.
I couldn't do anything. This guy's going underneath every screen.
I think I need to get some ankles.
You need to get a shot that's good. Shoot that. Oh my god, you were open. Yeah, you're not dunking on him, so.
I was
Saved
not
ya.
trying to do that dunk, I swear.
I know. It's just not gonna happen.
I don't think you could take park dunk packages off.
If you do, let us
Put
know.
them on. Yeah, if you know how. Well, I haven't really checked, but I know that at the beginning of 2K you couldn't. Let's go out. I'm cold. I'm never cold. This is weird. Also, guys, we're on a 12 game streak, I think, right now.
What the fuck am I doing right now?
I don't know. Oh, what? You just
the
take
hell
his
was that?
ankles?
I don't know.
I'll take it, I'll take it. You
Yeah.
need to clamp up, switch on screen again. Switch. Back. Just kidding.
What? What do you mean switchback?
I don't know, you
Holy
went the other way.
shit.
Just kidding, you're not playing
That's
side.
a fucking 72-3 contested. Yeah.
Got it back. Thought
Oh,
he'd run into your screen, but he didn't.
nice. What the fuck is going on?
You're a monster, don't worry.
All right. Yeah. So this is pretty.
Again,
Weird.
if you guys want this player build, let me know in the comments.
Damn.
Small
I
forward,
could not
point
switch
forward.
there.
Right.
I'm not fast enough to get over to him.
I'd like a 3, but we'll still trade 2.
Yeah, don't do whatever you did the other time when you forced it up.
I so. Oh.
You are. Yeah.
Might be. We're on screen. Which.
Trying.
Yeah.
He didn't even set a screen on you.
I know, but it was coming. So I just.
He didn't. So. Oh, I'm so slow. Oh my
Lord.
God. Get worked. I'm lagging now. I'm lagging.
Now I'm lagging. Take it.
Lagging so bad.
Alright, pass it.
Why are you taking that? Okay.
Yeah, again, the lag is not my fault. 2K. Servers are awful.
Let's go.
Get back. Oh my.
Oh, pass. Oh my god.
No meter.
You don't need to take that. Your guy was running out of
He's
bounds.
wide
Where
open.
was he? Yeah, but like, there's no need for that.
I didn't know that 2K would give me no shot meter. Oh.
That hurts a lot. I got your screen. Try and run into it myself.
13-10. We need a 3 sometime.
Yeah, or a
something.
stop, or not to miss a shot that's wide open. Just saying.
The screen came so late.
He just busts right through it.
You got a cut right there. There it is. It has to fall. Let's go.
I don't know how I made that. That was a bad that was like a sideways release at least. Not release, but
If I sound tired of this video, it's because it's like really late. We're just trying to get videos for you guys. And I always go quality over quantity, but
oh my god.
but
Just got tossed.
just on the grind now. Nice. 15.
The
That
game.
really quick. And
We're not shooting well, right?
yeah.
What the fuck is this?
Screen like 5 times.
Not a chance. A 3 would help a
be
lot,
clutch,
but
yeah.
yeah.
I don't know. if
You're
we
not
can get
making
it.
anything, and I'm not getting open.
No.
Oh
Should have
my
taken
god.
it, but I did not. They like started hitting each other.
Corner.
Need a shot. Let's go.
That was the biggest bailout ever.
Ooh, my neck hurts.
Jesus Christ. We were just passing back and forth. Wanna try the corner thing, and instead of call it cutting, I'll just please make that.
Drop. Let's go.
Let's go. No threes. Oh god, that's gonna be hard.
You have to switch this time. Like, give them the 2 if you
I
have to. Oh god, switch. Have it.
If he missed, that would have been clutch as fuck.
3 wins.
Alright,
but
3 wins, yeah. Not
we have
the
the same
ideal.
we have the same mind. Oh, I was taking that if he ran into your screen.
I don't know how he missed that.
Yeah. 3 wins for them.
Yeah, no threes.
Give
Just give him
them
the
the
2
two.
again.
Yes, give him the 2.
We just double this guy?
Switch.
No, don't even switch. Just double. Like, I'm on this guy right now.
Alright, switch back to your normal guy. 10 seconds. Yeah, that. An ankle breaker would be clutch right now.
Not gonna happen. Go right.
Give me.
This is bad.
Take 3.
Get the ball.
Hold it. Oh.
Shoot!
No.
Garrison.
Wait, it's our. Oh, it's not our ball.
It's not our ball. You were wide open.
I know I was out of stamina. And
Try and let him have a 3 then, I guess, now. No, game. Hey guys, unfortunately, caught the L. That was because they're pretty good. Competition.
yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe and also drop a like if you enjoyed the video at all. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Peace.